How to turn off read receipts on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to turn off read receipts on iPhone. So let me just quickly show you that whenever I send up this particular person a message, and they will be able to see that I have read their message if they send me the message. So as you can see, currently they have sent me this message. As of now, they will be able to see their message has been read by me. So to turn that off or to turn that feature, just head over to settings on your device, on your iPhone, and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option apps. So simply select it, and from over here, scroll all the way down once again until you see the option that is or application that is messages. So just tap on that, and once you tap on that, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is send read receipt. So when this is on, people are notified when you have read their message. As I've talked previously, this enables read receipts for all conversation. So you just have to tap on this disable button over here, and just like that, you have successfully turned off read receipts on iPhone, and you will no longer have people seeing you that you have already read their messages. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.